Ever wondered how plants know which way is up, how they bend towards light, or how they decide to grow a new branch? The secret lies in a tiny but mighty molecule, auxin. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of auxin, the first plant hormone never discovered and a true master regulator of plant life. It all started back in 1881 with Charles Darwin and his son Francis. They noticed that canary grass seedlings bend towards light. They suspected an invisible signal was sent from the tip of the seedling downwards, causing this movement. Decades later, scientists confirmed it was a chemical substance. They named it auxin, from the Greek word auxion, which means to grow. So, what exactly does auxin do? It's involved in nearly every aspect of a plant's life. One of its most famous roles is cell elongation. Auxin signals the plant's cell walls to loosen up, allowing cells in the shoot to stretch and grow longer. Think of it like letting a little air out of a tire to make it more flexible. But auxin isn't just about making cells bigger. It's a master architect creating intricate patterns. The arrangement of leaves on a stem, called phyllotaxy, and the beautiful network of veins within a leaf are all guided by auxin gradients. It's also essential for organogenesis, the formation of new organs. When a plant needs to grow new roots, especially lateral roots, it's auxin that gives the green light. You've probably seen plants bend towards a window. That's phototropism, or how roots always grow down. That's gravitropism. Both of these movements are orchestrated by auxin. Light or gravity causes auxin to move to one side of the stem or root, leading to uneven growth and the resulting bend. Auxin also enforces apical dominance. The auxin produced at the very top of the shoot, the apical bud, flows downwards and tells the side buds, not yet. This ensures the plant prioritizes growing tall to compete for sunlight. From the earliest stages of an embryo to fruit development and even aging, auxin has a hand in it all. The main natural auxin found in most plants is called indole 3-acetic acid, or IA. It's the most abundant and well-studied form. There are a few other natural auxins like 4-CH-loro-IA and indole 3-butyric acid, or IBA, which is great for encouraging root growth on cuttings. Beyond what nature makes, humans have created synthetic auxins. You might have even used them without knowing. Compounds like 2,4-D and dicamba are used as selective herbicides. They are particularly effective against broadleaf weeds in your lawn or crops. Why? Because these synthetic auxins aren't easily broken down by the plant. They accumulate, causing the plant to grow uncontrollably until it dies. It's a case of too much of a good thing. Other synthetics, like Na, are used in horticulture to promote rooting or too thin fruit on trees, ensuring the remaining fruits grow larger. So, how do plants make their own auxin? The primary natural auxin IA is chemically similar to the amino acid tryptophan. The main production line in plants is called the IPyA pathway. It's a two-step process. First, an enzyme family called Ta converts tryptophan into a molecule called indole 3-pyruvate, or IPyA. Then, another crucial enzyme family called YUCCA steps in and converts IPyA into the final product, IA. The YUCCA genes are so important that when scientists tinkered with them, they got some dramatic results. Plants with overactive yucca genes produced way too much auxin. They grew tall and skinny with long, narrow leaves that curled downwards, making them look a bit like a yucca plant, which is exactly how the gene family got its name. While this two-step pathway is the main route, some plants, like those in the cabbage family, have alternative ways to make auxin. Where does all this auxin production happen? Mostly in the young, actively growing parts of the plant. The shoot apical meristem, which is the very tip of the growing shoot, is a major factory. Young leaves and developing fruits are also significant sources. Once made, auxin is actively transported throughout the plant, sending signals that coordinate growth and development from top to bottom. To sum it up, auxin is the foundational hormone of plant life. It controls how cells stretch, how organs form, and how plants respond to their environment. The main player is IA, synthesized through the tryptophan-dependent IPyA pathway, with the yucca genes playing a starring role. From the farm to your garden, understanding auxin gives us incredible tools to manage plant growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey into the world of plant hormones interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of life. See you next time.